I'm taking a water break. It's hot here in Middle Tennessee. Welcome, friends. Welcome home. Welcome to Heritage Ways. I'm back. I just wanted to say hello to y'all. It's been so long since I've spoken with you and give you a miniature update. Family has moved from Ohio, where we lived for 5 years. We were thankful to be there. The Lord put us there, and now He has moved us back home, if you will, back to Middle Tennessee. Actually, we are in the foothills of the Smokies, Appalachian mountains, really, because we're in the upper Cumberland region of Tennessee. We've never really lived in this region, but it's just so beautiful. I can look out my windows and see the hills, and I absolutely love that. We love that. We've moved for a variety of reasons, but primarily the Lord is leading us, and we're so thankful for that. If you're new here, welcome. Heritage Ways YouTube, heritageways.com is where I support and encourage homemakers. I primarily do that through cooking and sharing recipes because that's my passion. That's what I love so very much. But also you might see me share other homemaking content as well. Heritage Ways YouTube is going to be used going forward to support my blog, my website, heritageways.com. So it's brand new, shiny, beautiful website. I hope you'll check that out. I'm going to put the link down below in the description box so that you can just easily click on that. If you've been with us a long time, since 2017, hello, and I miss y'all, and I'm glad to be back with y'all. I love engaging with you in the comments, and some of you we've met in person, especially when we RV'd to meet you in 2018, 19, and 20. We met you in person, and now we are dear friends, so I'm very thankful for you, whether we've met in person or we haven't yet met in person, so I'm thankful for you. So yes, if you haven't heard, or for some reason you don't get my Sunday night email updates, and I'll put a link down for that in the description box as well. Every Sunday night, Lord willing, I try to send out an email with information that is helpful for diligent homemakers like you and me. So a lot of our friends and family use that to kind of keep up with us. I don't share tons of personal family life information on there, but I have shared about our move. And like I said, we have just moved, so this is on the heels. We're entering August 2025, and we have just moved from Ohio, so we are still in the midst of unpacking. And Mr. Patient's done a lot of work painting rather, and fixing and repairing and all these things, whether it was on the Ohio house and now our new house, new to us house in Tennessee. But I'm still nesting and unpacking and figuring out where everything goes. So that's been, it was daunting and overwhelming at first, but now I'm enjoying it. Just yesterday, after I've been here probably a month, I finally said I love my house. It just takes a while to get yourself settled in, doesn't it? Have you moved recently? If so, let me hear about it down in the comments. Y'all let me know. So we have shared the whole shebang, from deciding to move back in February to the whole process. The kids and I have been filming videos, well, Mr. Patient too, but we have content and we have shared all of that. We have so many videos over on our membership, and we do have a free tier on our membership, and then 2 very economical tiers on our membership. So just for privacy reasons, we decided we wouldn't share every detail of our move with the world. And so we do have all of that on our membership. So I'll drop that link down below too. You can always go check that out if you're interested. I'm also going to be starting a very sweet little segment on our membership, and it's going to be at the free tier. You do not pay a dime to see this, but I'm going to start to do a little heritage segment, and you'll see more about what I'm talking about. But I think it'll interest you, especially if you like to go thrifting or antiquing or learning about old ways and old times. So I'm going to start that in the fall, Lord willing, late fall. And that will be on our membership too. So all that information is going to be down in the description box. That's where you need to head next after you watch this video. Of course, if you're watching this on a television or something, I have learned, because I've started watching YouTube on a television, you don't have access to that description box. So you'll need to do that through a laptop or a phone or iPad or something like that. I hope you'll make sure you're subscribed. If you're not already, we've already hit 20,000. I'm so thankful to the Lord for that, because I just want to be a light to the world and encourage as many people as I can. And we do that together by your sharing and telling people about Heritage Ways. So y'all have a great day, and I hope you're counting your blessings and know that you are loved. I'm Miss Katie, and I will see you next time, either here at YouTube or at heritageways.com or Instagram and Pinterest. So y'all take care, and we'll talk soon. And drink lots of water.